Ready to take your photography from good to great? Here we are again at 2 Minutes Posing Saturday, your quick guide to mastering boudoir photography. In this episode, we are focusing on the magic behind the camera settings and how they can transform your photo. Let's go! Today, I'm going to show you a super sexy pose that's perfect for highlighting our model or client's legs and bum. And I promise she's going to love the result. Here's how I guide this pose. I ask our model to lie flat on her stomach in the middle of the bed, making sure her legs and feet are comfortably positioned on the bed so it feels natural to her. This pose works especially well if your client or model has a smaller bum that you like to exaggerate. I have her slightly bend her right knee, that's the knee closer to the light source, and cross her foot over the other leg. This opens up her pelvis and creates a more flattering curve on her right side, making her bum appear fuller, more beautiful and sensual. We position her arms so that her elbows are under her shoulder, allowing her easily and elegantly lift her upper body. Her gaze should be directed forward and her hair should fall gracefully over her back. We're using the natural light from the large windows on her right side and then positioned slightly behind and above her to her left. The angle helps to elongate her legs and create lovely proportions. Hi! I'd love to see how you master this pose. Send me your picture. All the info and the link are in the video description. Camera settings. Since we're working with backlighting or a mix between backlighting and sidelighting, I want to protect the white points, so I shoot with an aperture of 1.8. Shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO set at 100. Turn every photo into a masterpiece with the Boudoir Secrets Ultimate Pack presets, specially designed for their Lightroom and Photoshop. We start photo editing by choosing one of our beautiful Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack presets to create a strong contrast and highlight her body shape in a sensual way. For this pose, I really like the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Black and White Bright and Airy preset. Next, I adjust the white balance. In our studio, the color temperature is set to 5500 with a tint of 15. Even when converting to black and white, the white balance plays a crucial role in how the tones translate to grayscale. I increase the exposure significantly by 2 stops, as I always protect the white points during the shoot and adjust the exposure later in editing. To add more contrast, I reduce the shadows by 25. Finally, I make minor adjustments to the crop and upright to ensure she's beautifully framed in the image. And that's it! Our stunning boudoir photo is complete. That's a wrap for today's 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. I hope you feel inspired and ready to apply what you've learned. Be sure to check back next week when we reveal a new breathtaking pose. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you soon.